A Credit Card Resource Guide. Chapter 1. Credit Card Websites 1. The major credit card companies. Applying for creditcard.com. bankofamerica.com/creditcards. bestcreditcardnow.com. bestcreditoffers.com. choosingcreditcard.com. creditcards.newfreeoffers.com. creditcardsapplicationcenter.com. creditcardsexpress.com. creditland.com. discovercard.com. firstnational.com. hsbccreditcard.com. kipalinger.com/spending. myonlinecreditcarddirectory.com. netbank.com. officialcreditcards.net. visa.com. americanexpress.com. advanta.com. citibank.com. American Express Company. 200 VC Street, New York, New York 10285-4814. 212-640-5130. 800-528-5200. Credit cards. 800-528-2121. Suspect credit card fraud. 800-525-7641. Traveler's checks. 212-640-4753. 800-528-4800. Green Card Inquiries. 800-327-2177. Gold Card Inquiries. 800-525-3355. Platinum Card Inquiries. 800-528-2122. AmericanExpress.com. AEXP.com. Discover Financial Services. 2121 Waukegan Road, Deerfield, Illinois 60015-1827. 800-347-111. discoverbiz.com. MasterCard International. 2000 Purchase Street, Purchase, New York 10577-2405. 800-300-3069. 914-249-2000. Fax, 914-249-4207. Mastercard.com. Visa USA. POG 194,607. San Francisco, California 94119-4607. 415-932-2100. 800-428-1858. 800-227-6811. Traveler's checks. Ask Visa at visa.com. Visa.com. Blackcard.com. Visa Black Card, world's most prestigious credit card. Credit card resource websites. You have to shop around for the best credit card deal. Some of the low-interest ones compensate by charging interest immediately without a grace period, so beware. Some newspapers list credit card companies and their rates of interest. The Wall Street Journal, WSJ.com, publishes such a list usually during the first week of the month. The regular money magazines list them too. Read some articles about how deceptive and greedy credit card companies are. Cardratings.com. creditcardreviewsblog.com. federalreserve.gov/pub/shop, credit card rates. bog.frb.fed.us/pub/shop, information on how to choose a credit card and a survey of current credit card plans and rates. 2cardds4credit.com/platinum/credit_card_companies.html. abcguides.com/credit-cards. americanbancard.com. americanexpress.com. balticbankinggroup.com/ccards/index.shtml. bankrate.com. bcsalliance.com/creditcardesd.html. bellaonline.com/articles/art13071.asp, how to overcome the deception used by credit card companies. bestcreditcard123.com, bestcreditcards.com, bizjournals.com/resources/credit-card-company.html, bizrate.com/ratings_guide/guide.xbml, cardlocator.com, cardoffers.com, cardratings.com, cardtrack.com, cardwatch.com, cardweb.com, 800-344-7714, cardweb.com/cardlocator, choicepersonalloans.com/gettingcredit.hdm, choosingcreditcard.com, collegevisa.com, consumer-action.org, consumeraffairs.com, consumercredit.com, American Consumer Credit Counseling, consumerreports.org, consumersdefense.com, Credit Card Debt Negotiation Program, free debt reduction consultation and advice, counterpunch.org, look for credit card stories, thebalancemoney.com, creditcard321.com, creditcardcatalog.com, creditcard-card-companies.com, creditcardguide.org, creditcardmenu.com, creditcardprocessinginc.com, creditcards.com, creditcards2u.info, creditcardshaven.com, creditcardsonline.com, creditcardsplus.com, creditcardsusa.net, creditcardexpo.net, creditchoice.com, creditchoice.com, creditfast.com, creditinfocenter.com, creditkingdom.com, creditland.com, credit-land.com, creditnet.com, creditoption.com/creditcards, creditrunner.com, kuna.org, kuli.org/home/personal_finance/money_management/credit/debit_and_credit_cards, truthaboutcredit.org, truthout.org, visa.com, visa.com/globalgateway, wellsfargo.com, wizardofcards.com, yourcreditcardcompanies.com, Credit Resources, Federal Trade Commission, Public Reference Section, 6th and Pennsylvania Avenue, NW, number 130, Washington, D.C. 20580, 202-326-2222, ftc.gov, American Financial Services Association, 4th floor, 1111 14th Street Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20005, 800-727-7389, 202-289-0401. Ask for the report, Annual Summary of State Consumer Credit Laws and Rates. Bank Card Holders of America, 524 Branch Drive, Salem, Virginia 24153, 800-553-8025, 540-389-5445, fax, 540-389-3020, bankrate.com, non-profit organization which offers lists of low-rate and secured credit cards and many brochures on credit topics like rebate/frequent flyer guide. $4 for list of legitimate secured credit card holders. They also publish several free booklets about credit.